You don't know Shickaa Chung. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So I got my mint and ginger tea. Guys, I'm so pissed. So you guys might think that I did not do a Vlogmas Day 6. I did. And when I kid you not, this vlog has this video, because I did a video style, has been uploading since yesterday at 5 p.m. and all now it has not uploaded. So guys, I did do a Vlogmas Day 6. So guys, whenever that comes out, that will come out. But yeah, just had to make that be known, because me not back down from this Vlogmas thing. I do it for the whole 25 days. So yeah, guys, so I'm just here. As I said, I just woke up. I'm gonna try to do some homework right now, finish my assignments, because you know it's the end of the year. So you don't know, say we have whole heap of assignment for do, and I have to complete it. So that is what I'm gonna do today. I don't know what I got planned for today, as always. So just like Vlogmas Day 5, we'll just go with the flow. What's popping, guys? So I am going to wax my bikini line. Lord Jesus, me afraid it's so hot. I'm about to do that right now. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to use is, I need a popsicle stick. And if you guys would do this yourself, I encourage you guys to have more than one popsicle stick, because I do not promote double dipping. That's not sanitary. You're going to need some form of powder to, like, you know, make sure your skin is prepared. And then to put on the powder, because I don't want to create a mess, I'm just going to use some cotton pads. And then I got my wax machine. Just the wax machine. The wax is getting hot. I think it's hot already. So I'm just going to mix it up. See? What I want if it melts some more. And this is hard wax. So I'm going to put it by my legs. Oh, Jesus, I'm too scared. So me feel like skin out myself. Boy, I can barely see. Jesus, please. These boobs, man, these boobs. Just, you know. Wait a little bit too much. Let me dash them in the garbage. Guys, look how I have to, like, ice up my breast. So, I'm gonna do this. That good. Whew. Now, I should use a towel so my clothes don't get no wax on it, you know. Ugh, I get a good amount of wax. So, cool it. So I'm gonna put it in the direction of the hair growth. Jesus Christ. Okay.
I'm like, let me witness this foolishness that's going on.
Okay, so you want to dry a little bit more, you know? Okay, guys, so I got a little bit of leafage. This is hard, so I'm stripping up. Oh God, I can feel it already. I feel it. Okay, guys. Shickaa, count with me. Okay, I have to stretch the skin tight. I feel like my wig is gonna fly off. Okay. 3, 2,
1.
Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna do one more section. Oh my God. Okay, it's ready. It's ready. My blood's clean. I'm afraid. Cause this is when you look hot. I need to just not think about it. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hi! Bomba, that will come out, you know. Jeez, that never hurt though. Nice, nice, nice. Now, what I'm gonna do is I am hungry. Me and Kedra is hungry because we not eat nothing from we wake up. So I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese, the creamy one, like the macaroni pie, but not the tough one, like you know how sometimes we Jamaican, how we make it tough and we put egg in it and it tough up. No, I don't want none of that. I want, like, you know, like the nice creamy, the stringy. You want that cheese pull type of look. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna make right now. So check it out. So guys, I am just catching water. I'm gonna put water on the stove with a bit of salt. You know, cause you want it to taste. You want the noodle to have a nice little taste, right? So take that. Turn on the stove. Put salt in there. And you want a little oil. Ooh, like literally just a toops. So I just covered the pot so that the water can boil up quickly, because girl, when it comes to cooking, like me not in the long waiting. Honestly, me not in the long waiting, and my food tastes good no matter how we do it. So me not in the long waiting. So I'm gonna be using this, and yeah. So guys, the water boil up. I'm gonna put the macaroni inside. Gonna take my spatula to mix it up, just to make sure that everything is equally covered by the water. And I'm not gonna cover this because you know when the water boil up and it just makes a big mess on the stove. Yeah, I don't got time for that. So I'm gonna create my little cheese sauce. That will taste nice. Okay guys, so the pasta is al dente. So I'm gonna strain it now. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, so I'm gonna be I'm gonna be baking it in these pans. So I'm gonna spray it with palm so the bottom doesn't stick. Okay guys, so what I have in here, I have butter, I put some garlic powder in here, and I have carnation milk. So I'm just stirring everything together. This is what I'm gonna make my cheese sauce with, to make sure that my pasta is gonna be nice and cheesy and creamy and all that goodness, right? So I want to thicken up this. I don't want it to be too thin. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour. And you want to stir in a little bit at a time. Like put in a little bit, and you feel like if you feel like you want it to be thicker, you're gonna add in more, but just do it at a time. Guys, also in this mixture I am going to add salt, because we don't want a fresh food, right? Although the butter is kind of salty, so it gives it a little flavor, but we're gonna add a little bit of salt, and that's it. So what I also like to add, guys, I like to add some all-purpose, you know, Maggi all-purpose. It tastes good, right? So I like to add some inside. I like to put a good amount. Stir it inside. Guys, if you can smell the flavors, and it's starting to get thick because it's starting to stick to the pot. So you guys can turn down the stove a bit. You guys see it's bubbling. Oh, smell. Okay, guys, so bubbling. It's thick. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add in the cheese, and the cheese is the part where you want to ensure that you're constantly keep stirring, because the cheese will stick. So I'm just using some marble cheese. You guys, look at this. See how it's stringy? It's nice and creamy. See it there? Good. So what I'm gonna do now is, so I showed you guys how it's, you know, nice and creamy. I'm gonna pour out this macaroni in here, and I'm just gonna mix it up together and put it back into the container. I'm not using this oven down here. I have a story to tell you guys. This oven almost caught on fire. So I'm gonna put it in the oven upstairs in my mom's part. You guys, look at that. You can literally just eat it like this by itself, but I want it to have like a nice crust and cheese on top of it. See how that looks? So what I'm gonna do, turn this on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in this, and I'm gonna do it in like layers. So I'm gonna pour in some of this, and then spread it out, know, make sure it's flat, you know. So that's my first layer, and I'm gonna put some of the shredded cheese on it to ensure that the cheese, you see it, make sure that the whole macaroni is gonna be cheesy. So I'm putting some of this on this layer, just like that. This is like, what do you call this? Like a triple layer macaroni or something like that. Flatten it again. Just like this. This is your top layer of mac and cheese. Nice. And I'm gonna put the last layer of cheese on top, just like this. I'm gonna put a bit of breadcrumbs, guys. Just a bit. Just like that. Put a bit of Greek herbs, just to give it a little color, you know, just a little color. It also is gonna give it a little flavor. So guys, this is the macaroni all ready to go in the oven. So I'm just gonna cover it with aluminum foil. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then you guys are gonna see how it looks after. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, this is complete. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. So this is the macaroni. I'm just gonna, you know, I let it sit for about 2 minutes, you know, to get firm up. Lord Jesus. Ooh, 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 nice. Yummy, guys. And that is my macaroni pie. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, guys, so this tastes really good. It tastes amazing. You guys can make it too if you follow my steps. But yeah, tell me how it tastes, Keidra.
Tastes really good.
Tastes really good? Yeah. Tastes really good. So guys, thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 7. And as I said before, this vlog might come up before my Vlogmas Day 6, just because, as I said, I've been having uploading issues. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, right? And stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 8.